This video explains how to buy shares of Insulet Corp in a few clear steps. Insulet makes wearable insulin delivery systems and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PODD, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and then add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PODD to locate Insulet Corp. Double-check the listing name and symbol to ensure you have selected the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart displaying recent movement. Confirm the company name Insulet Corp and the PODD ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next opening, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will request you add funds before it confirms. After your purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A link to the eToro example is available in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration.